Hi everyone, Vicky from BioMonde here, and I'm just hopping on to answer another one of your questions. And this time that question is, how do I actually order larval therapy? Once you've decided what size of bags or bag you need, you'll have to get it prescribed. The biobags are treated as an unlicensed pharmaceutical in the UK, and therefore it has to be prescribed, and this can be by a GP, a doctor, independent nurse prescriber, or any other supplementary prescriber. Once that prescription is done, it needs to be sent to pharmacy, and pharmacy will contact our customer services department, who will help them process their order and arrange when it will be delivered. If you would like a next day delivery, then we need orders by 2 o'clock in the afternoon to ensure that we can meet this requirement. If you don't need a next day delivery, then still make sure you ring us before 2 p.m, but let us know what day you would like it delivered so we can add that to the records. We take orders Monday to Friday, and just be aware that we will ask for the GMC or the NMC number of the prescriber and the ward or the location of the patient, just so that we can make sure we communicate any changes to that order with the right people. I hope you found that video interesting. If you want to learn more about larval therapy, then don't forget to hit follow and follow us on our other platforms. You can also visit our website, and if you've got a specific problem or question, you can contact us by email or telephone. See you all again next week. Bye!